Every JavaScript developer needs to select DOM elements, but many miss crucial details about the most fundamental method. Let's master ID selection the right way. The primary method is document.getElementById. You pass the ID as a string argument without the hash symbol. Notice we're calling it on the document object, which searches the entire page. This is the fastest way to select a single element because browsers optimize ID lookups internally. Here's what many developers forget. GetElementById returns a single element reference or null if no matching element exists. You must check for null before accessing properties, or you'll get runtime errors. This null check is essential for defensive programming. The modern alternative is querySelector with a hash prefix. Both methods work, but they have key differences. GetElementById is faster and only searches by ID. querySelector is more flexible, accepting any CSS selector, but slightly slower. For simple ID lookups, stick with GetElementById. Remember, IDs must be unique in the DOM. If you have duplicate IDs, GetElementById returns only the first match, and your HTML is technically invalid. This uniqueness rule is crucial for reliable element selection. To select by ID in JavaScript, use document.getElementById with the ID string, check for null, and ensure your IDs are unique. Master this, and you'll avoid common DOM manipulation bugs. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.